Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel Brainstorming. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the next notification. Today we will discuss in details about IELTS listening parts to get 8 plus bands in listening test. There are 4 parts in the listening test as we discussed earlier. So let's have a look. In this listening test, you will find there are 10 types of questions. Number 1, matching. Number 2, multiple choice. Number 3, sentence completions. Number 4, form completion. Number 5, note completion. Number 6, table completion. Number 7, summary completion. Number 8, short answer questions. Number 9, map plan labeling. Number 10, diagram flowchart completions. The test will include around 5 of these, so you need to know how to answer them all. In this lesson, I am going to give you an overview with examples. You may pause the videos to understand it better. We will start with matching questions. These are especially common in part 1. You are required to listen for details in a conversation between two people. Here, in the question, you must match the hotels A to E with the description 1 to 4. Here, expect synonyms and paraphrasing to be used. Example, in the recording, speaker might say that the hotel is located in the countryside or away from the town, rather than it is in the rural area. In the multiple choice question, you are required to choose the correct answer from the short list. Don't select the first answer you hear as correct, because other one might be similar, so listen carefully before answering. Again, expect synonyms and paraphrasing over here. For example, speaker might say soon rather than in the near future. In sentence completion question, you must listen the recording and fill in the missing words in the sentences to complete them. You may have to ending the sentences and fill in the words to complete the sentences. Take a note how many words are allowed to write. Your answer will mark incorrect even the information is correct if you write here more than 2 words. For example, in question 28, the phrase studying and working at same time, but it replaced in recording with I am fit for studying with full-time job. Form completion. Form completion mostly come up in part 1 and the conversation generally happens in between 2. Here, most common type is an application or an order form. It is generally easy to predict what information you will need to listen out for. In this sample question, for example, the answer will be a surname or a street name or a postcode, the type of items ordered and the number for how many items are ordered. Watch out for the distractors where information is given and then corrected or changed. For example, I would like to order 2 please. No, wait a minute, I will have 3 so that I can give 1 to my mom and 1 to my sister as well. Note completion. It can take many different forms. It can be a gap fill up activity of some sorts where you have to fill in the missing words, or this could be an example for missing words and a set of notes from a lecture or something like that. Pay careful attention to the number of words or number that you are allowed to write this answer. The recording for the sample question are radio broadcast about the National Arts Center. You are required to fill in 6 pieces of missing informations about the center. Table completion. It also required to fill in missing information. The table will be made up of column and rows containing information. Table generally categorize information, that is, they group pieces of informations that are related in some way or share the same features. This sample question follows only from the note completion question we have must look at and is also about the National Arts Center. This time there are 4 pieces of missing information that need to be filled in. Summary completion. The listening test gets more difficult as you progress through it. Summary completion questions often come in section 4 or part 4. It is the most challenging part of the test. You will be given a summary of the recording, typically a monologue or an academic subject such as a lecture of wildlife, and there will be missing words from the summary which you will have to fill in. Again, expect synonyms and paraphrasing to be used extensively. This sample question is a summary of a lecture or the caveman diet with 5 pieces of information missing. Short answer. Short answer questions are another type of question. We must identify specific information about the topic. They are particularly common in section 2, which is a monologue settings on the everyday social context. For example, a welcome talk for new college students. You must listen to the recording and write a short answer in each blank space provided. Sometimes more than one answer will be required. For example, you might get a question like this: what are the 2 major concerns new students have regarding accommodation? The recording for this sample question is an extract from a talk given to a group who is going to visit the UK. There are 3 questions with 2 answers required for each one. Map and plan leveling. Here you will be given the plan of a building and map of a specific locations or a diagram of something. We must fill in the missing levels. Many students find this one on the easiest question type to answer because the graphics will contain lots of clues as to the missing words. Especially in the labels, things are already present as well as the plan, maps or diagram. You may also given a list of words from which to choose the correct answers. Diagram flow chart completion. Here is an annex of a typical diagram question. Recording for this question is a seminar given by climate scientists on ocean research. There are 3 pieces of missing informations to be filled in on the diagram. Finally, we have a flow chart. A flow chart shows the step of a process. The process will have a start and an end with several steps in between. It could be about almost anything that can be broken down into stages. For example, the outline of a lecture or essay and application process, the stage of a training course or a short manufacturing process. The graphic in this sample question shows the 3 stages of a project to design a water treatment system. It is a part 3 question, so the recording will be a conversation between up to 4 people set in the educational and training contexts. In this case, the conversation is between a peer, tutor and an engineering student who needs help with their project. Now you are more familiar with different type of questions. Study the lessons on how to answer each type. Hope this video helps you to understand the four parts in details. For more such videos, please follow the link given in the description. Thank you.